what to do when Claude Code shits itself. When it hits a wall and stops dead. This can happen. It's called a 500 error. And maybe if you're in the terminal, you don't see this, or maybe you do. I use Claude Code in VS Code. VS Code IDE, development environment. I know that's scary language if you've not used it before, but it's quite simple. I've been talking about this for a while. And occasionally when you're working away, and you don't even have to hit context limits for this to happen. It's a problem on the Anthropic server end. You hit what's called a 500 error and you can go no further. And I want to show you an example of how you can get over this and recover. And in particular, how to use the AI Business OS to help you do that. So check this out. So here I am in my VS Code installation, and Claude Code is running. I have a few tabs open here, open editors, so I'm doing a few tasks at the same time. That's what you can do when you're working with Claude Code here. Sometimes I have too many things running, but anyway, here I am. As you can see at the bottom, I'm working on a new project. It's called a CRM project, CRM component for the AI Business OS, client relationship management system, as part of the AI Business OS. So I'm working away, and Claude is building this component for me and runs into a 500 error here. So I can go no further. Look, if I even type continue in here, it'll just return another error. So I'm left with no other option to continue. So somewhere else. So open a new context window, and with the AI Business OS, I simply type in, I got an error while working on a new project CRM. Tell me where we left off, and I pasted in the error. So what Claude Code does for me is uses PRIMA Memory, which is an MCP that I built for myself and for clients as well. Once I tested it myself, I pushed it out for client use. And this extends the already built-in memory function and retrieval function that's within Claude Code. So PRIMA Memory pulls in session history for the search term CRM project. It goes to get session details, references a database that I have in the background, and tells me where I left off. Session 11:01 AM to 12:11 today, 69 minutes of work on PRIMA CRM. What was completed? Yes, analyzed the Business OS suite gap, right, great, went through that process, and then identified where it crashed. So I had asked it to add the additional CRM capabilities to the roadmap, ensure that PRIMA CRM has a hard dependency on PRIMA plugin. More about that another time. And I asked it, okay, what am I missing? So that brought me right up to speed with the where I left off. So I had added here, add the additional CRM capabilities to a roadmap for the project. Let's make sure that there is a function, blah, blah, blah. And the last thing I asked it was, what am I missing? And then it hit the error, as you can see down here. So I'm able to continue on with my work. It said here, do I want it to continue where we left off? I said go, and goes through a few bits and pieces here and carries on the work all the way down. And I need to read this. I haven't read it yet. So what's the difference here between what PRIMA Memory does and Claude does natively? So I want to show you that now. So as you can see here, PRIMA Memory gives me semantic search across my full conversation history. And this is the critical difference. Claude Code stores conversation history in JSON files per workspace. So every instance of Claude does this, Claude Code. populates the conversation drop down so you can scroll through past sessions. That's here. Okay, so these all live on your local machine and you can use that at any time. But there's no search function necessarily. You have to manually open past sessions, scan through them. If the crash session hit context limits before the crash, parts of it may already be compressed and lost forever. So you're in trouble. So that's one of the reasons why I built PRIMA Memory. PRIMA Memory indexes every exchange that I have with Claude Code. There's currently 8,500 plus in my database with timestamps and content. You might say, well, geez, that's a lot. Well, you need to reference your past conversations. This is how I do it. I can run a search by keyword, topic, or time range. Search history with a term like Gen AI Skills Homepage or IREM Inbox returns matching sessions ranked by relevance. Get session details pulls the full conversation from that chat session. Works across context window boundaries. So for example, if a long session was split across 3 context windows, PRIMA indexed all 3 separately and I can find them. The practical difference. So I went on just for this video to ask what's the story with token consumption. So the search call is minimal, returns the session IDs, short summaries, so quite lean in terms of token consumption. Get session details consumes tokens, but that might be okay because if it's identified 5 or 6 or whatever previous sessions, you can decide which one that you wanted to go into. So PRIMA Memory returns a summary of previous sessions and where they took place, and that's the difference. Ran some updates here to reinforce the rules. So the rules insist that PRIMA Memory only return a summary of the session and not the full session. So that's just an important distinction. So bottom line, if you want more advanced memory functionality using Claude Code for your work and in your business, PRIMA Memory provides that. It's a bolt-on to the AI Business OS. So if you're a client of mine, you get that as part of the work we're doing. If you want it separately, it'll be available shortly to purchase. But there are other memory MCPs and so on available on GitHub. So go searching for those and see what's out there. I basically went searching for something similar, found a few options, but some of the components of those memory MCPs and memory plugins weren't suitable for me. So I basically took what was good from these and built my own into PRIMA Memory and made it so that it fits with the AI Business OS. So if you hit an API 500 error using Claude Code, PRIMA Memory can solve it. You're not limited to mine. You can build your own. Get Claude to build one for you. Get it to build a database of your conversations. They already exist on your machine. And then have Claude reference that database of sessions for you. All right. So hopefully that was helpful. Just thought I'd put that together. And if you like more of this stuff, tutorials of how to use Claude Code for business processes, not necessarily talking about coding, hit the link below in the description to join the Gen AI Skills Academy, and I might see you there. All right, take it easy.